Gordon.
Okay. One. Hang on.
He's attempting to light a cigarette while Ashley tases him.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hang on.
I think I'm outside.
No, you gotta try it again. Get back up here.
Fuck that.
You have to try it again.
I think I burnt my nose here.
My shit.
Try it again.
Try it again.
Try it again. Come on. You didn't even light the cigarette.
I know, I lit my nose on fire and lit the cigarette. I'm like, ah!
Okay, I'll do the other leg this time. You ready?
Wait, what?
Let me get a good look. Hold on, stop. Okay.
Ready?
Wait, let me get a
1, 2, 3.
It went out every time I go.